dito sa 3.24, ang pinapagawa sa atin is that we're going to write cout statements with stream manipulators that perform the following. For A, display the number 34.789 in a field of 9 spaces with 2 decimal places of precision. Letter B, display the number of 7.0 in a field of 5 spaces with 3 decimal places of precision. The decimal point and any trailing zeros should be displayed. Letter C, display the number of 5.789e plus 12 in fixed point notation. Letter D, display the number of 67 left justified in a field of 7 spaces. So as you can see dito sa screen natin, makikita nyo yung code na ginawa natin. And now we're going to break down these codes so that we can explain it better for our understanding. So first, sa letter A, display the number in 34.789 in a field of 9 spaces with 2 decimal places of precision. So ang nagawa natin dito is std cout std set w9 std fix std set precision to 34.789. Yung std set w9 natin, this sets the width of output field to 9 spaces. Yung std fix natin naman is this manipulator sets the floating point output to use the fixed point notation. Yung std set precision 2 naman natin is that this sets the precision to 2 decimal places. And yung 34.789 natin, yun na yung number to be displayed. For letter B naman, i-display natin yung 7.0 in a field of 5 spaces with 3 decimal places of precision. So, parang same lang siya pero pinalitan lang natin yung set W natin ng 5 and yung set precision natin ng 3. So, for letter C naman, i-display natin yung 5.789e plus 12 in a fixed point notation. So, ang gagawin natin dito is std cout std fixed 5.789e plus 12, then std and L. So, ang explanation dito is that yung std fix natin, this sets the floating point output to use the fixed point notation. And yung 5.789e plus 12 natin, this is the number in scientific notation na i-display natin. Sa letter D naman, i-display natin yung 67 left justified in a field of 7 spaces. So, ang gagawin natin dito is that std cout std left, std set w7, 67 std and L. So, yung std left natin, this sets the output to be left justified within the specified field width. Yung std set w7 naman natin, this sets the width of the output field to 7 spaces. And yung 67, ito yung number na i-display natin. So in summary, itong task na 3.24 is that each cout statement utilizes different streams manipulators to format the output according sa specified requirements. So, ito yung magiging output ng code natin. So, dito naman sa 3.25 na task, ang ipinapagawa sa atin is that we're going to rewrite this code into a new code na nagre-require sa atin para maging same yung output na hinihingi niya doon sa maging output ng bagong code natin. So, as you can see, or as you notice, dito sa slide na ito is that nag-iba na yung code natin compared doon sa code kanina na pinakita natin sa screen. Kasi kailangan nating ma-achieve yung code na hinihingi niya para maging same yung code na required, yung output na required dito sa bagong code natin na required din siya. So ngayon, makikita nyo dito is that medyo maiksi na siya. But then, if i-run natin itong code na to, ito yung magiging kalabasan niya. So, kung napansin nyo dito sa output natin sa bagong code natin is that same na siya dun sa inihinging output sa previous code. Excuse me. So, ngayon, i-breakdown natin yung explanation behind this one. So, we include the necessary header files at the beginning yung IO stream. So, after nun, i-define natin yung main function. Then, i-define natin yung person as array. Then, yung output the content of person with the left alignment and 20 characters width. Same lang din siya sa output the content of person with the alignment of and 20 characters width. Then, i-return natin siya to 0 to indicate na magiging successful yung program natin. So, as you can see, same naman siya dun sa hinihinging requirement or dun sa hinihinging output ng code. So, ibig sabihin, successful yung ating code. So, dito naman sa task 3.26, the following program skeleton asks for an angle in degrees and converts it into radians. So, the formatting of the final output is left to you. So, ibig sabihin, may given tayong code and then aayusin natin siya para ma-display yung degrees na i-convert natin into radian. So, now, ito na yung bagong code natin na nagawa natin para ma-display natin yung degrees, then i-convert siya into radian. So, as makikita nyo dito sa interface nyo yung bagong code. So, this will display the angle in radians with 4 decimal places and ensures it's left justified in a field 5 spaces wide. So, i-breakdown natin yung explanation. So, first, yung number 1, yung hashtag include IOStream, yun yung mag-include sa input and output stream library, which provides the functionality for reading input from the user and displaying output for the console. So next naman yung include IO man IP. This includes the input-output manipulators library, which provides functions and tools for formatting output. Yung hashtag include CMath naman, this includes the math library, which provides mathematical functions like sine, cosine, tan, etc. However, in this particular code, we're not using any functions from this library. So using namespace std, as we all know, this line allows us to use names from the standard C++ library, like yung cout, cin, etc. without needing to prefix them with std. Then, yung const double pi is equals to 3.14159. This line declares a constant variable pi and assigns it to the value of pi approximately to 3.14159. Yung double degrees radians naman, this declares two variables, degrees and radians, both of type double. Degrees will store the input angle in degrees and radians will store the equivalent angle in radians. Yung cout naman, statements from the user enter an angle in degrees. Yung cin degrees naman, this line reads the input angle in degrees from the user and stores it in the variable degrees. Yung radians is equals to degrees times pi divided by 180. This line converts the input angle from degrees to radians using the formula radians is equals to degree times pi divided by 180. Yung cout angle in radians naman, then set W to 5, fix set precision to 4, radian and L. Yung cout angle in radians, simply nagpe-print lang siya ng angle in radians to the console. Yung set W5 naman, yun na yung sets the width output to 5 field of characters. Then yung fix naman, this ensures that the output is displayed in fixed point notation. Then yung set precision 4 naman, this sets the precision to the output to 4 decimal places. Then yung radians naman, this outputs the value of the variable to radian. Then yung end L, this outputs the new line character moving to the cursor to the next line to the console. So all in all, pag i-run natin itong program na to, it will prompt you to enter an angle in degrees. Then after you enter the angle in degrees, i-convert nyo into radian and displays the result in this specified format. So, ito yung magiging output nung code natin. So, makikita nyo, ang degrees na gi-enter ko is 30, then gi-convert niya into radian.